Hi everybody! Today I'm very happy to be here to retell a story about King of the Monkey. Let's start. Wilson had a problem. He has a negative cash flow. Wilson can't afford to buy extra food. Some monkeys in small groups are very angry. They want to kill Wilson. However, most mainstream monkeys are support Wilson. Wilson always must earn a lot of money in one day. First, he invests in stock market. Unfortunately, he is losing money. Second, he decides to invest in golf. Then, he is losing money. Finally, he decides to invest in flower farm. He makes more money. He feels wonderful and happy. Then he continued to invest in flower farm, and he become rich. In fact, all the monkeys are ecstatic. Ha ha ha! Thanks for listening.